Hello and welcome back to Presenter Media. My name is Kara Jones and today I'm going to quickly show you how to launch Microsoft PowerPoint 365 from your Windows 10 machine. All you have to do is simply go to the bottom left hand corner, which is your Windows icon, click on that and then scroll or use your arrow keys to go down the list of programs until you get to PowerPoint, which is going to be located in the letter P. Additionally, if you don't feel like scrolling all that much, you can simply click on the search bar and start typing in the word PowerPoint. Click on the app and this will go ahead and get PowerPoint launched for you. If you don't remember where you saved your last PowerPoint presentation, you can simply open up the application and look at your recent files. That's going to be at the front screen of your PowerPoint every time that you launch. I hope this tutorial was informative and quick for you. And if you want to see any more tips and tricks on using PowerPoint, simply visit us at www.presentermedia.com. Again, my name is Kara Jones with Presenter Media. Thanks for watching and let's make great presentations.